We are coming to the end of March, which is Frozen Food Month, and we are celebrating with registered dietitian Grace Derocha. She's also a diabetes educator and the national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. We've got some frozen foods out here. Talk to us about this. You know,
Yes.
Some people don't think that these things are great, but frozen foods can be fantastic.
Yeah, I know. I feel like this is a great way to end National Nutrition Month with Frozen Food Month combined, because frozen food does get a bad rap, right? People are like, it's frozen, it's not fresh.
Yeah, right?
But fun fact, and I know you know this already,
I do.
when you have fruits and vegetables that are in the freezer section, they are usually picked at the peak of ripeness and then frozen immediately. So what you're actually getting is like the biggest bang for your buck with nutrition, because you have it frozen in that state, right?
Absolutely.
When it's the ripest and the best, and all the good nutrition is going to come through when you eat it.
And you know, there's not a lot in season right now.
Yeah.
So this is all in season in the freezer section, right?
Exactly.
So tell us how we can incorporate more frozen food into our lives.
Yeah. So frozen food is convenient. It can help you meal prep and meal plan, right? It can help you with smoothie creations with your fruit, and having it at hand whenever you want it.
Exactly.
That
It
is
can
the
sit in
key.
your freezer for as long as you want. Be like, I have nothing for dinner. Well, let me pull something out of the freezer.
What do we
it's
have in
there.
here? Yeah, exactly. I feel like this is a perfect example. This is some cauliflower fried rice. This is regular fried rice. You can combine this, right? And you're getting both things together.
Yeah.
Getting some carbs, getting some vegetables. You could add more vegetables to it.
Love that.
You know what
Always
I mean?
add more vegetables.
Yeah.
You can even add a protein. So you say you have some
Exactly.
chicken, throw that in there too.
You have your whole
It's a
meal.
Yeah. Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Any other like sneaky tricks people should think about when walking down the freezer section? Because you can get into trouble too. Let's be real.
Right, we have fruits and veggies here. So I did want to say one thing that I think is important is that most often when something is canned, there's more salt because they're trying to preserve it and give it flavor. Usually these have less salt in them because they're freezing them. So you don't have to have a preservation tool like salt for that reason. Right?
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, right, no added salt, totally fresh at the
Cost
peak.
effectiveness.
Well, because you can have it. You can sit there and keep it. And it really, frozen food doesn't go bad. I guess it might taste a little funny down the road, but it doesn't.
Just making sure it's not freezer burned or expired.
Yeah.
You know, there are expirations on some of them, but yeah. So when you're walking down the freezer aisle, think about your meal plan that you hopefully potentially made, or that you know that you commonly use as items, and instead of getting them fresh, get them frozen so you have them handy, right?
Yeah.
And obviously there's treat foods there too, and snacky foods.
There's
that you can
ice
enjoy.
cream and popsicles
and
all.
fried foods, but you know, knowing that those still are handy tools that you can have to fuel your day, your meals, your kids, is also helpful, you know, in moderation, as we always talk about with certain foods.
Absolutely, absolutely. Our go-to is edamame.
Yes.
We always have edamame
Kalea,
in our
forever.
freezer. Yeah, so just one thing that I love.
Ooh,
All right.
I love that go-to.
Oh yes, it's a good one, right? It's a snack, it's an appetizer, it's part of your meal.
We always have frozen fruit. I love a smoothie, and like I'd like to eat frozen fruit.
Really?
Just like, yeah, it's delicious.
All right, the
Try it.
dietitian. That's
It's
the
like
dietitian,
dessert
yeah.
because it's like frozen and like desserty, like ice cream or a popsicle.
Yeah.
But
Well, I mean, you could make like a smoothie could be kind of a desserty thing too. Okay, perfect. All right, Grace. Well, happy Frozen Food Month, National Nutrition Month, all of the things. A big thank you to Kids Food Basket for letting us crash in here and use their kitchen. Such a wonderful place to be. So there you go. Don't be afraid of the freezer section.
yeah, and carry this into all the months of the year.
All the time. Always have something on the ready. All right, thanks, Grace.